You have a PR on his other cases?
I think of the other case that I have him for, I know he's on a bond violation, I believe. Do you have PRs on other cases? I believe so, Judge. It's my understanding, yes.
Sure. So, I mean, I guess my question, maybe I'll put it simply, if I were to accede to your request.
This Michigan courtroom wastes no time. Conflict waivers are settled, defendants line up, and the judge immediately takes control with confidence and sharp humor. Every case today carries important consequences, so expect unexpected courtroom moments ahead. Subscribe for more dramatic breakdowns, and stay until the very end.
With his opinions, there is no waiver in this court. The court hearing, there is no conflict to the court hearing these proceedings, and to the extent there is a conflict, that we'd ask the court to waive it.
Thank you. Court for its part also does not believe there's a conflict either in the Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereunder. To the extent a conflict does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent to hear the matters. Court does call the case, People of the State of Michigan versus Donald Ray Baker.
And good morning, Your Honor. Of the defendant, I can really, on behalf of Mr. Baker, should be on Zoom. Mr. Baker, could you get unmuted and state your name for the record, please?
Donald Baker. Thank you, sir. Why am I starting with you?
Gonna be a great day.
No, I just.
Gonna be a wonderful day. I can
tell that's not true.
Right, Mr.
Go ahead. What are we doing?
Judge, we're asking for an adjournment. I have been able to get permission. I've got a meeting scheduled with him by sometime next week. I couldn't get anything before today. So we're asking for an adjournment.
Okay, and he's in MDOC.
Correct.
Probable cause conference in this matter will be adjourned then to June 20th. 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Baker. All right. Court does call the case, People versus Mohammed Diane.
Morning, Your Honor. People.
I didn't even see you back.
No.
Oh.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Davi Liba for Mr. Diane. He's appearing for my own, Your Honor.
Yeah. Oh, there he is. We're trying to unmute him now. Oh, there he is. Mr. Diane, can you state your name, please?
Mohammed Diane.
Thank you, sir.
I'd like to set this matter for preliminary examination. Discovery is complete.
You want it set for prelim?
Yes, please.
All right, discovery is complete.
It is, Your Honor.
All right. Which facility?
Is in Your Honor, the Iona Correctional Facility.
Is there going to be a problem with it being a month out?
That would be my preference, just to make sure we have enough time for the transport right now.
And that'd be fine with me, Your Honor.
All right. Then I will set it for preliminary examination for July 7th, 2026, 9 p.m. That will be before Judge Perry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Bond will continue. Thank you, Mr. Diane.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Anthony Holst. That's why you were sneaking around.
Nathan Coulter requesting position of practice pursuant to Michigan Code 18.120.
Okay. Permission to practice is granted.
Nathan Coulter for the.
All right.
And Assistant Public.
No.
Assistant Public Defender Chinazikari, I can really, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Anthony Holston. Mr. Holston, could you state your name for the record?
Anthony Holston.
Thank you, sir.
So, Your Honor, we're asking for one final adjournment. Everything is set. The offer has been extended. I wasn't able to contact Mr. Holston this morning or earlier this week, but I do have permission to meet with him. So I'll be able to get that done in 2 weeks if the court can give us.
2 weeks.
Yes. Just need to determine, Mr. Holston, it's just whether or not you want to do a no contest plea or a a guilty plea. I'll discuss that a little bit, but just ponder on that, okay?
Okay.
June 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continued. Thank you. Court does call the case People versus Damone Bransford. Good
And is that not behalf of the people, Your Honor?
morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trovia Star on behalf of Mr. Bransford. Mr. Bransford, could you state your name?
Damon Bransford.
Thank you.
Your
What are we
Honor,
doing?
Your Honor, I was just appointed to this case on Tuesday. I have not had a chance to review discovery. I'm asking for an adjournment of the PCC.
And Your Honor, may I just follow?
Yes. Are you held on anything else, sir?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Then I'll adjourn this out to June 25th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Esteban.
I just mentioned that Mr. Bransford has been contacting the victim from his pin and having other inmates contact her from their pins, as well as contacting her himself from other people's pins. In some of these calls, he says things like, is there any way someone can take back what they said to the police? You should see how we sleep in here. I need to get out of here. Aggravated stalking is crazy. If so-and-so to do that is crazy. And another inmate called the victim on his behalf and said, he said to tell your mama, who was a witness in this case, that his mama will pay her to write to the judge and tell him that he didn't do that. So at this point, I'm going to be asking for a small privilege to be revoked, and there may be new charges coming based on those calls.
Any response, Mr. Starr?
Your Honor, if you find that that is a violation, I would just ask for a warning. Normally, I believe that's what happens on the first occasion. Mr. Bransford is in custody. He's not going anywhere anytime soon. So if there is a violation here, I would ask a bond violation. I would ask for a warning.
I will advise the court as well. We have a detective now assigned to this case looking at further calls, and there may be charges for Mr. Bransford coming in for witnessing as well as potentially other inmates for helping to interview.
Okay. At this point, and subject, and if Mr. Starr, if you wish to have a hearing, I'm going to, at this time, given those allegations, revoke the defendant's phone privileges as well as texting privileges. All right.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you. Mr. Bransford, I'll come see you tomorrow, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. For Coast Case People versus Deja Branberry. Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Zach Finney with and on behalf of Ms. Banbury, who should be present via Zoom.
What started as a routine appearance suddenly becomes uncomfortable. A missing defendant, an attorney requesting extra time, and a judge questioning every excuse create genuine courtroom tension. Every answer matters because one wrong move could trigger a bench warrant. What would you have decided in this situation?
All right. Well, in that case, Your Honor, I would ask to pass the matter briefly so I can try to get a hold of her.
What?
We would, if not, we would ask for.
What?
I would ask to pass the matter brief.
That?
Nobody, Your Honor.
Nobody thought of that on your own?
I did. Yes, Your Honor. I did.
Horrible thought. Why would I pass it? The client's not here.
Your Honor, been unsuccessful in our attempts to contact Ms. Banbury. Last time we were here on May 14th, she was in an inpatient psychiatric ward. We believe that she is not in that ward anymore, but we do not know her whereabouts.
So if I pass it, what are you going to do?
I was going to try to call her one more time.
Don't think that she has appeared in the past.
I think that's true, but I think counsel's right. We figured out at one point she was in a facility. But you don't believe that she's still there?
Do not believe that she is, Your Honor, but we're not positive. So I guess if a bench warrant were to issue, we would try to confirm if she was there and then issue a recall request.
Just ask me to pass it.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then you conceded. I didn't. I was gonna give you your way, but you conceded. You want me to issue the bench warrant?
No, Your Honor.
What? I'll pass it. Go make your call.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What was that? Yeah. Yeah, you won one.
What?
One.
The only one today.
That's it. I can't wait till your cases get called. Calls case, People State of Michigan versus Paul Ledford.
On behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess, on behalf of Paul Ledford, who's approaching, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Paul Hayes, slide 4.
Thank you.
Discovery is complete. Request and examine this matter, Your Honor.
All right. People have their witness. Are we doing the 16th? Hold on one second. People have their witnesses available the 16th? All right.
Thank you.
Preliminary examination will be set in person June 16th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Bond continue. Court calls case People versus Rashawn Bangora.
Morning, Your Honor. And if the public defendants, okay, I can really, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Rashawn Bangora.
You didn't seem too sure. He's right here.
Oh yeah, I'm here.
Bangora. All right, there you are. State your name.
Arshawn Bangor.
Arshawn.
Arshawn. All right.
Judge, we're asking for an adjournment. There's a potential, I want to look into something a little further before we accept any.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to June 25th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Wait,
I
wait,
think-
wait. My attorney was supposed to put in a request.
I'm sorry?
My attorney was supposed to put in a request.
Okay. Put in a request.
That's why
Yeah,
I'm
put in a
asking for
request
the
for me to get off
adjournment.
tether.
Oh. I'll have to do a written motion for that.
All right. She's going to file a motion before the court and then I'll hear it, okay?
All right.
Thank you. He's here. What? He got up and walked away. Here. Yeah. I'll send a letter. Okay. Court calls the case, People versus Kristen Luckett. Naza?
Look for people.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Luckett, Your Honor. State your name, Mr. Luckett.
Christian David Lockett.
Thank you. This is the competency one.
Yes, Your Honor. May we approach briefly?
In this case, the court does have the report in this matter. However, my understanding is there may need to be further inquiry from the public defender's office. I will adjourn the competency hearing in this matter 1 week to June 11th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. I. Did. Change my. I'll grin and bear it. We'll toss. The one that, yes. The one that answered.
The courtroom returns to business with another preliminary examination, but every scheduling decision carries real legal weight. Discovery is complete, witnesses are expected, and the case moves forward without delay. Sometimes the quietest courtroom moments quietly shape everything that follows. Stay alert because momentum is building.
Oh,
Okay, I got you.
so that's why I'm having. One of the many reasons I'm having issues. Court does call the case, People versus Kevin Davis.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Fifelski on behalf of Mr. Davis, who is approaching. You state your name, please.
Kevin Ryan Davis.
Thank you.
Your Honor, discovery is complete and we are asking the court to set this for preliminary examination.
People have their witnesses available the 16th. Preliminary examination will be set June 16th, 2026, 9 a.m. before judge for me. Bond will continue.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Court calls the cases of the People versus Jamari Bagwell.
Ryan Dover for the people, Your Honor.
Michael Gaddy, assistant public. Um, 26 FP.
And Kyle Burdell on behalf of Mr. Bagwell in matter ending in 0623. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
And Mr. Bagwell, please say your name for the record.
John Muir Bagwell.
Your Honor,
Oh, so that.
okay, he's acting in absolute wrong order.
All
back
right.
row.
Like blocked her out. And like so from the back, I'm going, where's she coming from? All right.
Well, Ms. Constantino's here, Judge, because I realize I have a conflict on this matter, and I must withdraw. When the court sees fit, I would like to make a bond argument on behalf of Mr. Bagwell. But also,
Drawing, but you want to make the bond argument. Is that what it is?
what?
Okay, sorry.
The court will hear it. Thank you, Judge. Mr. Bagwell's 35 years old. He has
Okay, so go ahead.
his his children are ages 13, 8, and 3. The 3-year-old is the primary caretaker of his child. The 7-year-old, she's currently in the custody of his brother. It's my understanding that that's not an ideal situation for anybody. He does have a sister. His brother obviously helps him quite a bit. His sister helps him. The mother of his child. He's got friends who are very supportive. We would be okay with the GPS tether. Preferably it would be PR bond, but we did have a discussion with Mr. Bagwell that a GPS tether would be acceptable.
And the public defender would concur with that argument, Jim.
All right. So first of all, is there a response from the people?
We will also court's discretion. I would just remind everyone to support that the defendant does have several.
Does he have a PR on his other cases?
I think of the other case that I have him for, I know he's on a bond violation, I believe. Do you have PRs in your other cases? I believe so, Judge. It's my understanding, yes.
Sure. So, I mean, I guess my question, maybe I'll put it simply, if I were to accede to your request, then would he get out, or we don't know?
You know, let me check. Let me double check. I believe he would get out, Your Honor. I know he has.
Why don't I do this? What are we doing with the case?
We're just getting an adjournment today, Your Honor. Perhaps a nominal cash bond today, so he gets credit if he doesn't get out.
Okay.
Christina Costantino on behalf of Mr. Bagwell, Your Honor. We are asking for an adjournment of the PCC. Given what the court's just heard, I'll be taking over the case. I do need to get discovery in this matter, which I haven't been able to get until now.
Gotcha. So what I'm going to do is this. I will adjourn his cases to the 18th. All right. I will certainly entertain I will at this point deny without prejudice your request for release. Let's figure out if he would be released and then under what circumstances we could then have him released. I would, you don't want to wait to that date. If a motion comes through, I'll try to hear it on the 11th, a week before. But let's get all the information to me.
First, the existing, it says there's a whole lot of Van Buren. That's the only thing I see. It doesn't say that they're gonna pick them up, though. Looks like a misdemeanor shop. Out of Van Buren town.
Okay, but there's another, okay, thank you. But my understanding, counsel, is you have him on some other case?
I have him on, he's on probation, Your Honor. It's a probation. So he's not, I don't believe that's keeping him.
Are they holding him on that?
It was a violation for a different, it was a previous violation, Your Honor, for a different issue. And that is, he was released on that case, yes.
Okay. I'm gonna do it the way I was doing it. I'll do it the 18th. Sconsino, you can look into that, file the motion, give me everything, and then I can make an informed decision.
Understood.
All right, so at this time, the motions.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, and just given that, would the court mind scheduling this on the 11th? I know it's only a week away, just so that way we could come back and address that since he is in custody.
All of you are out of control today. Fine. Change it to the 11th.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge. Thank
May I approach with a green sheet, Judge?
Really?
Yeah.
It's the coffee.
Mr. Bagwell, I'll see you either.
All right, thank you. Yes, ma'am.
After a courtroom filled with adjournments, scheduling decisions, bond discussions, and firm judicial control, every defendant leaves with important next steps already set. Justice often advances through careful procedure, not dramatic speeches. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories and legal breakdowns.